Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change DPI settings on your Anbernic RG556 console. First of all, open settings on your device and swipe down to display settings. In display settings, swipe down to display size and text, and in this menu you'll be able to change both font size and display size of your device. To change the font size of your device, you have to move the top slider either to the left to make the font smaller or to the right to make it bigger. And with display size it works in the very same way. So just set the values that you feel most comfortable with, and you can also make the text bolder by switching this toggle to the right, and you can also change the text contrast by switching by toggling this toggle. And that's basically it. Once you leave this menu, the changes will be applied. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.